Right, Rob.
Hello.
Hi there, it's Mark here again. We've got my friend Rob on the camera.
Hello.
And today, as you can see, we've got a nice new Tamiya. And I've been looking forward to this one, Rob, because I've wanted a Manta Ray for quite a long time.
Right.
And it was re-released in 2018. Yeah, you can see this is the 2018 re-release. It was first released in 1990, I think. So it's quite old now on the DFO1 chassis. I could say it's chassis then, not chassis.
Yes.
And then they stopped selling it again, Rob.
No.
Yeah, you couldn't get them. But they re-released it again. Not another re-release, but you know, this 2018 again, earlier on this year. And I didn't pre-order one. Should have done, because they all sold out, and I didn't get one. But yay, they've got another batch out, and I managed to get this one from good old Neil at Time Tunnel Models. Done me a great deal on it. Super delivery, super fast service, and all that. So yeah, check out Time Tunnel Models if you're looking for a new kit. But now we're going to unbox it.
Right.
And see what loveliness we get in here for the princely sum of 125 quid that I paid for it.
Oh.
And get a look at this, Rob. Get a look, have a look. Even though it's quite cheap, really, for a Tamiya,
Aye.
you get that lovely packaging. Look at that. So it's not just thrown in the box. You get your nice special extra box for all your little parts. We've got our body here. And, yeah, all the other bits for the chassis and wheels in there. So let's get it out of the pack, Rob.
Okay.
So there we go, Rob.
Yeah.
It's not that much stuff in this one, is there?
No.
But yeah, like I say, DFO1. First thing I'm going to do is check out the. I've got to check out the tyres. Shall I do a 4-tyre sniff?
Oh yeah.
You might have to resuscitate me, Rob. You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, that's quite a hit, mate. I think I'm going to need a bit of a rest before we carry on.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're giving me kiss.
No, I'm all right, really, Rob. They're they're very rubbery, very grippy, knobbly tyres. They'll do the job. I think they're all the same. The 4 tyres on this, no narrower ones for the front on this one. So obviously we can see we've got the dish wheels, rather nice, and yeah, all one piece, so nice and easy. We've got the chassis, which is a bathtub. And it's honeycombed, isn't it? Which I think was quite a thing at the time. Obviously gives it a bit more rigidity. And as we can see, the DFO one, very similar. I think it was the forefather or the granddaddy of the TA, series TA01, TA02. A lot of the parts are interchangeable, Rob. So if you need any spares, remember that, guys. So yeah, there's your tub. And we've got the diff casing here, haven't we? I think that's a diff case. We've got shock tower. And yeah, I think that goes underneath the front as it holds that together. Like that. That's right. Over to the other diff. This is probably the rear one. I think that's the front. And again, a shock tower. We've got that horrible plastic motor mount. And Rob, these bits do snap off, these extensions to the main part. So I've had these snap in the past. So I might be looking. I might be looking at an alloy hop up for that, Rob. We'll see. Anyway, over here, front bumper, various plastic parts, and I think that is a top kind of panel, and that was for the mechanical ESC, which obviously not included on this one.
For the speed controller.
That's the one. Right, so we've got your parts of your A-arms or your wishbones here, haven't we?
Yeah.
And yeah, various ball joint connectors. And I think that's the same part tree again, isn't it?
Looks it.
And here we've got, looks like parts for the steering maybe. And then we've got, I think they're the rear hubs. And we've got here, guys, a bag from Time Tunnel Models, ball bearings, because this, guys, comes with plastic bushing. So recommend those if you can.
Can I just say that looks a lot of ball bearings?
That's quite a few ball bearings, isn't it, Rob? Then we've got a rear wing. We've got to cut out and spray. And then we've got the lovely, like, signature, I call it a signature Tamiya body. Really futuristic design back in the day. And that's what I really love about Tamiya, Rob. They come out with some like wacky designs, don't they? But you know, that kind of stuff doesn't normally come out of China, and that is. And I think that's what, for me, raises Tamiya that bit above. Love the bodies and love this one. And Rob, you're supposed to spray it silver, but I'm not going to.
Oh no!
I'm not going. Can you guess what colour I'm going to go?
Yellow.
No. You'll have to wait for the build to see that one. Right, so I'm going to open this lovely Manta Ray box of goodies. See what we've got in here, Rob. I'm going to just empty it out on the table. We'll have a quick look at that in a minute. There we go. Right then. So we've got the cases for the diffs.
Yes.
And guys, on the TAO2, they're ball diff in the back, I think. But this is gear diffs front and back, which I'm quite happy about.
Yeah.
Nice and easy to build.
Yeah.
Your lovely plastic signature yellow Tamiya shock bodies. Not a massive fan, but hey, you know, it's a classic.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know. It's classic.
They look plastic.
And it's not a wibbly wobbly, guys.
No.
This is your, what I call it, a coat hanger. Yeah. And that's the prop shaft for driving from for power from the rear to the front diff. But yeah, that'll do the job.
Yeah.
You get stock silver can, no torque tuned or anything like that in this one, Rob. And I think these are the front red uprights, aren't they?
Yeah,
Front steering hubs, knuckles, whatever you call them. Have to get them the right way around for Rob. Parks bag A. It looks like we've got some diff gears, we've got some ceramic grease, and I think these wear out quite quick, these gears, Rob.
Like
they're going the rear,
parts,
and it looks like we have got a steel pinion though, Rob.
Right.
Yeah, it's a 21 tooth steel pinion, so I'm glad about that. And you can see there we've got metal drive cups for the wheels and the wheel axles. Again, bonus for this kit for the price range. Parts bag B, we've got your damper, we've got your shock springs, we've got the shock pistons and more diff gears, it looks like there, Rob.
Yeah. Ooh, 3 bags.
And finally, parts bag C. Yeah, again, these look like the control arms, aren't they? Tie rods. We've got some ball joints there, and some of those horrible bushings that we will not be using, and various screws and washers.
Excellent.
We've got a lovely Devilsome sticker set, quite minimal, but these are a bit tricky because I did a body for my friend Corinne, and these are tricky to line up, but not too many of those to put on.
No. Any window masks?
Yeah, that's a good point, Rob. You don't get any window mask, so you have to mask this off manually, which is a bit of a pain, but there you go. That's how it was in the 80s, the 90s, I should say, and that's how it is still. We've got your lovely revised 2018 Manta Ray manual, the usual Tamiya goodness, easy to follow, and we're going to follow that in my build guide that I shall be doing.
Coolio.
So, that was a nice quick unboxing, wasn't it, Rob?
Hopefully, yeah.
Not too much stuff there. Thanks for... what are you laughing at, Rob?
I nearly missed the seat.
He nearly fell on the floor, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, dear, Rob, what you like?
Yeah, we're getting too old for this.
So, there you go. Hope you follow me along on the build guides and spraying up this lovely body. And hopefully on its first run out on the dirt.
Cool.
Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. It's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from him. And Barbara's beaver.
Oh, we mustn't forget Barbara's beaver. Cuts! Thing. DFO1. Have I just said that?
Yeah.
and so yeah, it was re-released 2018, right? And then